Tharikira cia nyamu cia githaka makiria hiti icigo-ini itiganite bururi-ini ni undu ukoretwo wakiriirie kwa ihinda. Umuthi namba ya aria maguraritio na kuragwo nicio igithie na mbere na kuongerereka. Kumana na undu uyu thirikari kwitukira ruhonge rwa kuriira nyamu cia githaka rwa KWS ni yambiriirie uthuthuria wa nyamu ici. Ruhonge ruru rugikira mukonde ati hitiri irakuruhanio na tharikira cia andu mwena wa Juja kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ire na murimu wa kuguruka kwa hiti kana rabies. Kuhitukira ndumiriri ya KWS murimu uyu no wonekete hari hiti ire mwena wa Rongai kaunti-ini ya Kajiado. Kuria ica ikuhe murutu wa thukuru wa University wa Multimedia erigite gutharikirwo ni hiti ici iria cia murengire ciara cia moko na kumutiga na nguraro ingi njuru. Kuringana na KWS riu aikari icigo ici makubatara guikara mehugite guku makiuria gwithemana na thafari cia nduma kana cia mundu guthia ri wika icigo-ini iria gwati kuona murimu uyu niguo uracungiriria hiti ici kwerera urumo wa kumatharikira ona mathaa-ini ma muthenya. Niguo kugiririria murimu uyu gutherema makiria kuhitukira ngui, KWS ni yaniriire kwambiriria kwa mubango wa uheani wa njanjo hari ngui ciothe iria icigo-ini ici. Riu makiuria aria othe mari na ngui gutigirira ni ciathecwo njanjo ya murimu uyu gwati uria utari kihonia. Maya magithiaga na mbere, Minista wa Ugendi na nyamu cia githaka Dr. ALFRED MUTUA origi ni angathiirie gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge igi ugendi kuria gutanyagwo gucokia ciuria cigemainie na gucerithirio kwa marihi hari andu aria maguraritio kana kuragwo ni nyamu cia githaka.
There's a lot of joke with this committee, with the minister, with the PSS, and even with the CEO's chair. And I remember last time we had said that we really needed a candid conversation on how we are going to do business this particular year.
The hyenas all of a sudden have become very vicious, so we really needed people from the ministry to put a light on this issue regarding hyenas.
Our CS is in the right place in tourism, not in wildlife. Tutasumbua na bure tu. Mambo utukutembea, he'll be all over the place.
Abunge ni ameba kamiti ino ni morotete Mutua makimugweteta Minista Mungathia riu makiuga thirikari ironeka kwaga wendio wothe wa kuriha aria mahutitio ni undu uyu.
I think it is high time we put our foot down and we make the minister understand we are not part of the Cobra squad. He doesn't take this committee seriously. And Chair, we really plead that after we are done with the BPS, we will need to deal with the Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife.
Surprisingly, CSO is concerned who could have taken on the responsibility and discussing all together on the way forward. Was last seen this morning boarding a chopper en route to Masai Mara.
Riu kamiti ino niranire kugiririria Mutua na ministry yake kwitukirio budget yothe mubango-ini uria wambiriirie wa uhariri wa budget ya mwaka twerekeire wa kigina nginyagia riria gekinya mbere yayo.
The secretariat
Hadunya Kameme TV retora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.